our topic is free fall. If we let any object free fall, that object will come towards the earth surface. Actually, that force is from earth center. So that's why that object will come towards the earth surface, and then surface again uh, giving force in upward direction, but that downward weight of that object is more than that. That's why that object remains on the earth surface. So here we know that whatever will be the object, the force exerting on that object because of that earth, so gravitational force between this earth and that object will be F is equal to G m upon r square. R is the radius of that, means r is the distance between earth center and the object. M is the mass of that object, capital M is the mass of the earth. Now we know that F is nothing but weight of that object. So I can write here m into g. Weight of that object is equal to g m upon r square. So simple, m gets cancelled out. So we are left with g is equal to g m upon r square, which is called gravitational acceleration. So gravitational acceleration always acts towards the earth surface, and because of that gravitational acceleration we are having force, gravitational force, right? So G is equal to G m upon r square. This m is nothing but mass of the earth, right? So by calculating all the terms we are getting G average value, which is 9.8 meter second to inverse. So we find G in meter second. We can also find in kilometer per hour to inverse, but this is preferable unit of gravitational acceleration, right? So this G is not completely 100% equal on the earth. At the poles G is greater, and at equator G is lesser. So why this difference of G comes? Because we know that earth is not completely sphere. At the poles earth radius is lesser. If radius is less, then G will be more. That's why we are having at poles G is greater value. Similar equator, we are having G, means radius at this equator which is more, that's why G will be less. So that's why on the equator points G will be decreases, or its value is lesser than the pole one. So exactly, this is gravitational acceleration. So whatever, if we free fall, if we let any object free fall, what happens? Continuously that object velocity increases downward direction. Why? Because G is constant. So whenever acceleration is constant, this value velocity is increased by this value. So continuously whatever that object is freely fall, continuously velocity of that object increases by this value, and that is our gravitational acceleration, which is always remains constant. So this is because of earth, and this gravitational acceleration is towards the earth center. So that is our topic, free fall.